my channel. Today we're doing a little nail Amazon haul. I started on TikTok, but I figured I can't neglect my YouTube baby. This is where I started. This is how I'm gonna finish, period. But I'm gonna walk you through what I just opened, and then we're gonna open some stuff that I have not opened yet. First, we have brushes. These are supposed to be like multi-purpose brushes. You can use these to clean car stuff, barber stuff. I currently am using a pink one that's like really small hand one where you just like scrub it. And I thought that these were gonna be small, but they're honestly pretty big. It's a really big difference. And I don't mind. I mean, I have long nails anyway, so it'll probably make it easier to scrub and get under there, but these are actually coarser. Well, actually, it's the same. Never mind. But yeah, so my aesthetic for nails is white, gray, silver. That's the aesthetic that I'm going for. My favorite color is actually pink, but I don't like to be like everybody else. Everybody else's favorite color is pink, which is why, okay, fun fact, my favorite color was always pink like growing up, but because everybody else's favorite color is pink, I changed it and I liked lime green growing up. But then I just realized like pink is just that color. It's giving it girl, but I just do not choose to wear it. But like, I don't know, I feel like nude and mute colors are just so classy. Anyways, these are something that I just got in the mail, and they are toe separators. I saw this in a nail store one day, but they had pearls, and I was like, I like these. And they were like, oh, we actually have diamonds. And I was like, that fits the aesthetic. I need those. So they have 4, because it's gonna go in between your toes on both feet. I'm assuming this one's supposed to go between your big toe and your second toe. So cute. I can't wait to give, I think Winter, I owe her a pedicure. I promised her one, so definitely gonna get one for her birthday. I'm excited to use that. It also came with a nail file and some stickers, probably for like nail art. Anything that you see me talk about, I will put it in my Amazon storefront, so you guys don't have to worry. That'll be in the description. We have this as well. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this if you guys are into nails. This is supposed to be sterilizer kit. You mix your solution with water, and then you put all of your utensils in here. I don't work on clients, so I don't have to worry about this too much. I really just use it on myself or like loved ones. But I am noticing that like my stuff is starting to get like dirty, so I do need this. But there's like a barbicide container, but I didn't think I needed it, but now I do think I need it now that I think about it, because this is not enough space. Like, I just put this tip nipper in there and it's already taking up a lot of space. When you put it in, it's supposed to go down in the stuff. I don't know, but this is really cute, convenient, needed. I do know some barbers and like nail techs that do not really clean up their stuff, and girl, you just asking for a lawsuit at that point. I still have acrylic on. I have to soak them off. I filed down the bulk of them, so that's why they're so short. But I was like, I cannot wait no longer, because if I am waiting to do my nails, I have to have all of the necessary components to do my nails in the first place. You feel me? This is 100% pure acetone. I've never bought acetone from Amazon, but I figured I was buying everything else from Amazon, and I'm kind of lazy. I do not like to go in person and shop, so I got that because I'm running out of my old one, which I got this from Sally's. I don't know the price difference because I got this a long time ago, before I even knew that I was for real going to be investing in nails, and it lasted me a long time. But now that I'm starting to do nails more often and switch out my sets and stuff, it's going by pretty fast. So we'll see based off of this one how fast it goes. But let me know if you tried this before and how you feel about it, if it's effective or not. It should be effective. But yeah, I got that. What else? Oh, I never did my thumbnail. Oh, crap. Let's see what we got in here. Big box just for this. I mean, I ain't mad at them because at least it's not broken. But this is that Protein Bond Young Nails. Everybody raves about it. It's the first primer that I started with. I've actually never had another nail primer before. If you guys have recommendations, let me know. I love to try new things. I think this is the solution. I feel like this is a barbicide because it's feeling a little bit heavy. Let's yeah, this is what's gonna sanitize your stuff. It's important to have. And then this is actually not a package, but I went to Hobby Lobby because my very first brush got ruined, of course, as most people who are first starting on their nail journey, this was my first brush. It was by Young Nails. It was originally either black or brown, and I didn't like it. It looked like boyish, and it just doesn't go with my aesthetic. So I saw this one TikTok video a long time ago about a girl customizing her brush, and she put diamonds on it, and I've been needing to do it, and I just haven't had the time, and I just wasn't into, like, I dibble and dabble on nails, and lately I'm into it. Yes. So she was using the E6000, and this one says low odor, multi-surface, all-weather, indoor, outdoor, multi-purpose. This was more expensive than the regular ones that are bigger. So I was like, of course I need this because the monomer is going to break down like anything that I apply on it. And I just want the diamonds to stick in place. So I got this, and I got some diamonds, which I know they're not like the top notch, but they're cute. I also got some bows. They're like more, they're not even gold. They're like more brown than anything. And silver bows for nails. I think that's cute. Don't know how they'll hold up, so I'll probably have to be the guinea pig. Like do like a basic set and add a bow on there. This is actually my nail table. It's my everything table, my editing table, my everything. And then I ended up getting these diamonds. I got two sizes. I got the big ones for the thicker part, and then I got some small ones. I got two small ones to fill everything. I was only gonna get one of each, but I was like, let me just get some extra just in case, because I will be very upset to start a project and then have to wait till the next day to finish it, because I usually do things at nighttime. I don't know what it is. I prefer to do it in the day as far as like recording, because natural lighting is the best. But I just end up like this. I don't know, like nighttime is my peace. So I'm going to do a project with that. I should be doing that on TikTok if I have not posted it already. I do have my own TikTok nail page. I just don't post often, but I'm going to start. Then I started doing pedicures as well. I just want an exfoliator, so I got this from Walmart, and we're gonna see how it goes. It's supposed to be more like natural. It doesn't have too many ingredients. It smells natural, so I'm excited to use this. I'll probably give myself a pedicure. I gave myself a pedicure like last week. I'm trying to make it like more consistent, to do more self-care, because you know you gotta love on yourself often before you even think about loving anybody else. You know what I'm saying? Who gonna be there for you? If you don't do it, who else gonna do it? I think that's all. Is that everything? I forgot to show you guys, I also got these buffer blocks because I have a lot of what do I say like that? I have a lot of nail files that are like 100 grit, but I needed something a little bit higher in the number. The higher the number, if you don't know, the softer the file. And I needed something to buff out my nails, so like before I put on the nail polish, it's like more smooth instead of rough and clumpy. Winter is currently playing with the other thing that I have. I don't need all of them, just give me some of them. They're magnets. I expected them to be bigger than this because the video that I saw, they were bigger than this. I guess I should have looked at the description, but I don't think it really too much matters. It was a hack on TikTok, a nail TikTok hack. I need to get a new one of these or just tighten it because it's like it moves left and right. It should not move left and right. But this is to cut your tips. A tip is to stick these, if you don't know, now you know. You stick these onto it, it's a magnet, and this will give you the same length on each nail every time. So if my nail was this long, I would push it against my skin and then cut. I wasn't supposed to do that, but I cut. That way it'll be the same length on each finger. If I only wanted it this short, I would cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. That way you don't have to worry about sizing it up at the end, which you should anyway, but you have a better chance. You don't just have to eyeball it, you know what I'm saying? It makes it easier for you, which I need that because sometimes my left hand longer than my right hand, and I just take so much time with it because I'm a perfectionist that I just don't even care at the end of the day. As long as they don't look crazy, you can't tell from afar. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I intend to have my nails done so I could do like an ASMR like this, but whatever. I'm gonna stop thinking so hard into my content because when I first started, I wasn't even thinking too much into it. I just had a concept and I executed. So I feel like if I think that way, I will upload a lot faster, a lot more consistently. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you like this video. I forgot to tell you, I got the glitter for a base for this so that the gaps will be covered and it will look cute. So this looked cute by itself. I tried it already. I did like a little test strip on the concrete. So I love you, Nessa gang. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.